Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows keyboard opening shortcuts instead of typing. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn off sticky keys and also turn off filter keys. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, click Update Driver. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall driver. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Create new key named as Windows Key Workspace. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Allow Windows Inc. Workspace, change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.